Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I am showing you how to create this type of simple animated bubble effect in After Effects. So let's get started. First, create a new composition. Draw a circle, colored white. Then apply turbulence, displacement from effect and preset. Set the amount 40. Animate the evolution with expression time. Steric 50. This is looking good. Now right-click to shape the layer. From Layer Style, apply Inner Shadow. Open Property, set the color white. And change the shape color to black. Opacity 100% and blending mode to normal. Change the size to 58. Now apply a bevel and emboss. Set the first color to something like pink, and the second one is bluish shade. Now change the both blending mode to normal. Set the size to around 50. Softness 16. Highlight opacity to 100. Now also apply a stroke. Change the color to white, size is 1 and opacity 50%. It's looking good for me. Now duplicate the shape layer and decrease the scale size. And set it to some distance. Now take an adjustment layer and apply Gaussian blur to it. Set the blurriness 50%. Now apply the matte choker effect on the adjustment layer. Softness to 75. Choker 1 is 15. Softness level 1 is 2. Now, it's looking just like water drops. Animate the position of a big circle or something like that. Now create a new composition and name it to render. Take a new solid layer and apply a gradient ramp. Set the color to something bluish. Now write some text using the bold font. I am using Pop-in Bold. Duplicate the text layer. Now drop Bubble Comp and duplicate it. Close the eye of both bubble comps, select the both text comp and set it to alpha matte. Now apply CC Glass on bubble comp 2. Change the bump map to bubble comp 2. Set the softness to 50. Open shading. Set the diffuse 20. And specular 100. Now open the eye of the first bubble comp and set the blending mode to the screen. So the bubble effect is ready. I hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Also, give your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for watching.